Blue Eagles in straight sets. We have Coach Ramil De Jesus, Angel Canino, and Shevana Laput. Coach Ramil, congratulations for this bounce back win against the Blue Eagles. Your thoughts about this straight set win?
Well,
Thank, thank you, Coach.
well, um, after ng loss namin sa UST, hindi ko naman sila kinagalitan. Basta kinausap ko lang sila na kailangan mas matuto tayo doon sa magkakamali natin. And kailangan kung ano yung mali natin, maayos natin ito sa game natin ng Ateneo. Which is nakita ko naman na na-address naman yung mga mistakes namin, and then kahit pa paano nagawa namin ng tama.
Thank you, Coach Ramil. To Angel, you had 10 points today. So, what can you say na you're able to bounce back big, and at least you got help this time around from your teammates?
Sobrang laki ng adjustment na ginawa ng team namin. And I'm happy to see the applications na ginawa namin for a week, just for a week nung natalo kami. And yun nga po, yung sabi ni Coach Ramil na happy din po siya na nakita niya po kung anong ginawa namin inside sa training namin.
Thank you. To Shebs, you had 13 points today. So what can you say about your team's effort, especially you step up in this match?
Similar to Coach and Angel, we're all just proud. I mean, we came to this game wanting to win, obviously, wanting to bounce back, as well as, play the game that we love. So we just kind of went back to our roots and our system.
Thank you, Shebs. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, coming from the loss last weekend, I guess what was the biggest adjustment that you guys made in training para pagbalik niya po dito talaga ready na po?
So siguro nakita ko lang yung timing namin sa block, medyo disorganized kami last game namin against UST. And then siguro hindi na maximize ko ano man yung strength namin. Yung middle namin medyo na-limit yung mga sets. So ngayon medyo happy ako dahil kahit pa paano na-maximize yung middle.
Shevana, for you personally, I think you didn't get to see much action in set 3 to 5 against UST, and now going back and having this big game, I guess what was your primary motivation and mindset going into this match?
Like I said earlier, for me, my goal was to just have fun, enjoy the game. Because when you're enjoying the game, that's when you pretty much play at your best.
For Angel, after your loss after the South's loss against UST, a lot was said sa social media, whether good or bad. How were you able siguro to tune out lahat ng mga yun just to focus on your upcoming this game and Ateneo and do well?
I was able to tune out everything of that because I have no social media right now. So, wala akong nakikita kahit anumang negative or positive yung sinasabi po nila. Wala pa akong nakikita. For me, it's important for me to protect my peace of mind talaga. So, yan. Wala pa akong social media. So, pero malaking pong salamat ko sa mga positive comments, sa mga lumalapit sa family ko. Maraming salamat po sa kanila kasi yun po talaga yung totoong nagsusuporta sa akin.
Coach, after yung laki ng lamang yung first set tas yung second ticket, paano nyo lang na assure na hindi kayo makukuha ng isang set ng Ateneo despite 22 or kayo nung second set?
Actually, nung second set, medyo madaming service errors, and then naging ahead agad yung Ateneo, so medyo naghabol kami, and then hindi rin masustain yung mga tamang ginagawa, so madami pa ding errors hanggang sa umabot doon sa 20 hanggang naging close yung score. So eventually nakapitan naman hanggang sa end nung second set. Yun naman yung maganda.
Coach, 13 straight na po ang Lasal against Ateneo. Siguro ano po masasabi sa consistency at continuity na rin ng program, lalo na against a big rival po?
Ako hindi ko naman tinitingnan yun. Kung sino naman yung dumating sa amin, paghandaan namin, it's either Ateneo, UST, FEU, lahat ng schools para sa amin big game sa amin yan. So kung nataon lang na ganun kalayo na yung ganun kahaba yung winning tradition namin doon sa Ateneo, siguro hindi pa lang ito yung time para siguro manalo sila sa amin.
Coach, your thoughts lang dun sa Ateneo team ngayon, young, rebuilding, pero lumalaban pa rin.
Actually, maganda. Very promising yung team nila. Hindi po pwedeng biru-biruin. So, kailangan talaga every sets, pagandaan mo, magbigay ka ng respeto kahit sila bata.
Coach, you're playing UE next on Wednesday. UE is such a young team. Your thoughts about playing against UE na before? They're very, very much different team compared in the past.
So, isa pa nga yun sa kailangan namin pag-aralan. So, siguro tomorrow, kailangan namin paghandaan yung UE. Kailangan namin panoorin kung ano yung mga dapat namin na paghandaan sa kanila at bantayan. And very promising din yung team na yun. Dahil most of them siguro, magkakasama na nung high school. Tsaka, kilala nila yung bawat isa. So, hindi mo pwedeng baliwalaan yung team na yun. Kung anong respetong binigay mo sa Ateneo, sa UST, ganun din sa kanila. Kailangan mo silang paghandaan.
Same question against Angel against UE. You have a good core led by Cassie Dongallo. So, are you excited to facing such a young team like UE?
Yes, of course naman po. Kagaya nga po nasabi ni Coach Jamil, one game at a time. And kailangan namin matutunan at i-learn yung kalaban namin. Kasi, yun nga po, yung bawat teams may iba't ibang system. And kailangan lang namin silang matutunan talaga.
Same, gets UE.
Of course, it's exciting because new team. But like Angel and what Coach said, we got to learn their system, we got to apply our own system, and just play with respect. You know, they're another team that we're going to verse, so we just got to do our part.
All right, congratulations, Coach Ramil, Angel, and Chef. Thank you.